Conversation 1.
Has Bob arrived yet?
No, he hasn't gotten here yet.
Has anyone tried to call him?
I don't think anyone has.
Maybe he has overslept.
Or maybe he's forgotten there's a meeting. Conversation 2.
Have you sent the report?
No, I haven't.
Why haven't you finished?
I haven't had time to check the spelling.
Have you finished writing it?
Yes, I have. Almost done. Conversation 3.
How long have you known Joe?
I've known him since high school.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah, we have been best friends for a while.
Have you seen him recently?
No, I haven't seen him for some time. Conversation 4.
Nice sweater. I haven't seen it before.
Oh, this old thing? I've had it forever.
How come you haven't worn it very much?
Well, it has been too hot to wear it.
Yeah, it has been very warm lately.
I know. I haven't needed a jacket for months.